Great African Gamer. So today we're going to be making slime. So here we got my container. So we're going to use glue, baby lotion, gum, hot water, some I don't know, to clean. And then we're gonna add things to smell good and just some balls for it to like make. So first, I'm gonna open the slime bottle, pour mostly out. Here's the slime. Oh, I got sticky. Ew. Right, so then we can add. Wait, is there a shaker?
I don't know.
So then you need to watch this.
Don't put too much.
No. Then you get swirl. Oh, that's so satisfying. When you're done, no, we're shaking some more. And we're done. Oh, this, and then when you're done, put some cream. Then mix it again. And then mix it with your hands. Oh my god, this feels so weird. And mix it with your hands. And then get this fork again. Swirl it around. Then add a little bit of hot water to make it more tricky to be attached. Good. Some more baby lotion. I need to wash my hands. Pause the video, I need to wash my hands. Alright, so we just came back because we had to wash our hands. So we need to keep mixing it. Looks so good. And then you take out the fork and put some OxyClean. And just swirl it around again. Alright, so we're gonna stir it a lot. Then we stir it, and then we had more OxyClean. It's because it made it more like slime, kind of like borax. But then yeah, so we need to mix it. You need to do it like if no OxyClean. It'll like. So then it's coming out like slime. Did you see that? So then I don't know. I'm just gonna make some gum. Just to make more like slime. Just put it.
It's not gonna work.
Who cares? Put it like that. And put some hot water to make it like that. And then, oh, take out the gums.
You just wasted 2 pieces of gum.
So what? Sorry, gum. Alright, so should I put more baby lotion?
I don't know.
Because it's coming out like slime. So let's put some baby lotion. So squishy. Well, you need to wash your hands again.
No, I didn't need no stuff.
I know. Wipe it off with the shirt. It's your shirt. Oh my god. So then, should I add more? Ariel?
I think you're done.
And then we need to squish it. It's kind of coming out. It's kind of coming out like putty, but that's just feeling good. So then, flip it over, squish it, flip it over. Oh yeah, it feels so good. Oh, all right, put it back inside. And then we need some. Fuck. We have some technical difficulties problem, so it got wrong. So who cares? Still gonna add some vanilla accent to add some flavor. No, not flavorsome. Like, freaking. It's so bad. I don't know why did we do this. Well, if you want to make pieces of slime, then you can. But totally backfired. And then if you want, I thought this was gonna come out good, but this sucked. And then I guess we just cut these things little balls. Look that shit. So if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.